well, lost the wicket of Jonty in the terms of run out. Some miscommunication in the middle between Vaibhav and Jonty. Jonty thought it's a boundary, Vaibhav thought it's not. So yeah, he should stay in the game. Let's see. Move on with the game. Vishal Shinde is on strike. Is the new batsman. Flicks it. Punch it. Actually, he punched it. From this angle, it's hardly to tell whether he punch it or flicks it. Only when ball will come to the leg side, we'll say that he have flicked the ball. Otherwise, we'll go with punch it the ball. That's it. Vaibhav Latte against Suraj Kadam, which is a very good delivery. It's excellent delivery. Going away from the batsman. Quite a lot of cheering within a Gladiators team as they have sensed some opportunity here with the loss of 1 wicket from the game changers. Vaibhav Latte punch it again. Yeah, that was a punch. Back foot punch from Vaibhav Latte and steals the 1 run. 3 ओव्हरनंतर स्कोर झाला आहे 40 रन 1 विकेटच्या नुकसानीवर. विशाल कारले हे आता चौथा ओव्हर घेऊन येत आहे. चौथा षटक ते टाकणार आहेत. विशाल कारले फेमस ऑलराऊंडर आहेत नांदेड सिटी विदिन नांदेड सिटीमधले नांदेड सिटी प्रीमियर लीगमधले. ते सध्या लीडर बोर्डवर आहेत बॅटिंग आणि MVP मध्ये. विशाल कारले टू वैभव लते. वैभव लते try to pull it to the deep mid wicket but only 1 run. Number 18 to number 18. Bowler wearing number 18 shirt and batsman also wearing number 18 shirt. The fans of Virat Kohli. 18 versus 18. काय होणार इथे? Cuts it. What a shot. What a lovely shot. Cuts it over the point for a 4 run. Very good technical shot by Vishal Shinde. He is a quite technical player, I must tell you. Vishal Karle to Vishal Shinde. Vishal to Vishal. 18 to 18. Pulls it. This is what a high stakes it is. As you can see, I got the ball here. The match ball is in my hand. Actually, ball came our head only. Vishal Shinde versus Vishal Karle. Again, into the stands for a huge 6. Vishal Shinde is on fire. Back-to-back sixes. 2 huge sixes by Vishal Shinde against Vishal Karle. And with this 6, game changers register their 50 run inside the 4 over. Very good batting so far by game changers. Quite excitement around the ground for this match. Vishal Shinde again drives that ball to the long off and they will steal the 2nd run. There's some misfield at the boundary line. Very good running by 2 balls at the middle. Vishal and Vaibhav. It's totally V at the moment. Bowler name is Vishal. Batsman name is Vaibhav. Batsman name is Vishal. All V's are in the middle. Vishal again smashes down to the ground, outside the ground for a 6 run. A huge 6 by Vishal Shinde, 3rd of the over. What a strike by Vishal Shinde. Excellent batting, powerful hitting, and this end the over. After the end of 4 overs, score is around 60 somewhere. थोड़ी चेंजेस होंगी यहाँ पे. एक चेंज करना चाहूँगा मैं. स्कोर झाला आहे आता 4 ओव्हर नंतर 65 रन फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 1 विकेट. अपनी स्लैंग लैंग्वेज में बोला जाए तो एकदम विशाल शिंदे ने पेल दिया है बॉलर को. Another number 18. This is Shubham, who bowls quite fast. He's a right arm fast bowler. To Vaibhav Latte. Vaibhav cuts it. This could be, and it's a boundary over the fielder head. Player waiting for the delivery to come to him, and he missed it. And its result is the boundary. It's a 4-run. Another addition of 4 into the game changer score line. Very good batting so far by Vaibhav Lote. बट मला हे समजलं नाही वैभव ते थांबत का बसले बॉल मारल्यानंतर. ते परत एकदा रनआउट झाले असते जर फिल्डर थोडे ॲक्टिव्ह असले असते तर. नेव्हरदलेस 4 रन ॲडेड. वैभव अगेन ट्रायज टू कट इट बट मिस दिस. शॉर्ट ऑफ गुड लेंथ डिलिव्हरी इट इज. शुभम टू वैभव लोते once again. Vaibhav goes at the back foot. Another punch over the cover, but very good field this time by the fielder. He jumps to collect the ball and saves the 3 run for his team. खूप चांगलं असं क्षेत्ररक्षण केलं आहे इथे फिल्डरनी डीप पॉईंटवरच्या. बॉल असा अतिशय वेगाने त्यांच्या दिशेने गेला होता पण त्यांनी जम्प करून तो बॉल अडवला आहे आणि 3 रन वाचवले आहेत. शुभम दिस टाइम टू विशाल शिंदे. Oh, what a strike! What a strike over the long off, boy! This is a huge 6. ये झाड़ियों में गई गेंद. So far, 4 massive strike from Vishal Shinde. Very good batting. Very good batting. Vishal Shinde again on strike. Again over pitch and again over the boundary line. This is some 90-meter 6 by Vishal Shinde. And here comes the Sharad Walekar, the superstar of NCPL. The Ram Bansode committee member. Star supporter he says. Vishal Shinde at the moment is on fire. He's just dealing with the 6s only. He don't want to run, nothing at all, only 6s. Again, pulls it over the boundary line. What he is doing, man, at the moment, back-to-back 3 6s for Vishal Shinde. This is extremely outstanding batting by Vishal Shinde. Wow, what a hitting. We are witnessing some magic here. After end of the 5 over, the scoreline lead 88 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. Shashi is the bowler, who was honing the wicket keeping duties so far, but now he comes to the ball. Vaibhav Lote is on strike. Oh, good ball. Stays down actually. Ball थोड़ा खाली राहिला हा. कनेक्ट नाही झाला वैभव लोते यांच्या. 2 बॅट्समन खूप जोरदार असे हाणामारी करतात सध्या. हाणामारी पिचमध्ये, नॉट बाहेर. बाहेर हाणामारी करावी नाही कधी, नाही तर पोलीस तुम्हाला पकडून घेऊन जातील. पिचवरती हाणामारी कधी पण चांगली, ते पण बॅटनी आणि तेही चेंडूला मारून, एकमेकांना नाही. शशी टू वैभव लोते. ओ, इट्स अ वाईट बॉल. वाईट सिग्नल बाय अंपायर. वैभव थोडे फ्लिक करण्याचा प्रयत्न करत होते फाईन लेगच्या दिशेने मारण्याचा. फाईन लेग ही खूप वाईड ओपन आहे, तुम्ही बघू शकता. फाईन लेगच्या इथे खूप मोठी गॅप आहे फाईन लेग आणि डीप स्क्वेअर लेगच्या फिल्डरमध्ये. शशी परत एकदा वैभव लोते यांना. वैभव लोते दिस टाइम इनटू द स्टैंड्स. अरे खरबूजे को देख के खरबूजा रंग बदलता है, वैसे ही कुछ यहाँ पे विशाल को देख के वैभव लोते भी अपनी हिटिंग कर रहे हैं और गेंद को सीमा रेखा के पार भेज रहे हैं. This is actually very quite good clean hitting by these 2 batsmen. No miss hit at all. Clean hitting and a proper cricketing shot at the moment. Proper cricketing shot. Nothing extravaganza by them. Nothing flashy. Only proper cricketing shot. See the ball, hit the ball. That's it. That's their mantra. I'll tell you. Yeah, that's their mantra. Shashi to Vaibhav Lote. Over pitch ball, no, this is a short of lane delivery. Vaibhav tries to tried to pull it once again to clear the boundary line, but only manages 1 run. So far decent over, if we say, मतलब जसं मॅच चालली होती त्या हिशोबाने खूपच डिसेंट ओव्हर झालेला आहे हा. विशाल शिंदे ऑन स्ट्राईक. विशाल शिंदे pulls it. This could be a boundary. Oh, sorry, catch opportunity. No, drops it. Shubham drops a sitter. This could be a... What a huge miss by Shubham. So, Gladiator drop Vaibhav Late when he's on 4 or 6, and again Vishal now got the lifeline. Vaibhav Late tries to smack this over the boundary line, but again in the air, and this time fielder catches it. A breakthrough for a Gladiator, but after a very good show by these two batsmen, Vaibhav and Vishal. Very good innings by Vaibhav. त्यांनी स्वतःच्या धावसंख्येकडे लक्ष न देता टीमच्या धावसंख्येला अजून वरती नेण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आणि त्यात आपला विकेट गमावला. खूपच अशी उत्कृष्ट इनिंग वैभव लते यांच्याकडून. खूप मस्त इनिंग खेळले वैभव. विशाल अजूनही खेळत आहे. ते नॉन स्ट्राईकवर आहेत. आता स्ट्राईकवर आले आहेत प्रवीण जयभाई. 4-3 नंबर 4-3. थाला फॉर अ reason for a थाला. It's the same thing. Praveen Jebhai is on strike. Oh, very good delivery, but it's a wide signal by umpire. Another run added into game changers scoreboard. Quite a very good excitement here at the NCPL cricket ground. As you can see, this looks like mini Shivaji Park of Pune. We can term it as. Shashi, who has ball so far, very good over to Praveen Jayabhai. Praveen Jayabhai missed it. He wanted to clear this ball into over the rope, but he missed it. No run. So after end of 6 over, scoreline is 98 run for the loss of 2 wicket. This is a very good score. I'll tell you, this is a very good score on this pitch. In a 7 over match, if team is already near 100 inside the 6 over, you can say it's a very good score. It's not a mammoth, but it's a very good. Shubham once again into the attack for the last over. This is his second over. Vishal already hit him 4 sixes, continue 4 sixes the last over. Still the Gladiator captain has a trust on Shubham. He need to deliver it now. We'll see whether Vishal will deliver for the game changers or the Shubham will have his say. Last over of the inning. Shubham is the bowler, Vishal is the batsman. Vishal pushes this to the cover. This could be a boundary. Yeah, it is a boundary. Oh my God. Vishal just pushed this to the boundary, to the cover, and goes for a 4 run. Quite a good outfield. Vishal is on the fire at the moment, boy. Whatever he touching is going to the boundary or over the boundary. शुभम थोड़ा प्रेशर लेते हुए. फुल टॉस बॉल, और ये नो बॉल हो सकता है, और ये नो बॉल ओवर द वेस्ट. अच्छा खेला था, बट वेरी गुड फील्डिंग शॉर्ट थर्डमैन के द्वारा. उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छा सेव किया. ये कुछ 4 रन मिल सकते थे उनको. अच्छी फील्डिंग. दिस इज अ फ्री हिट नाउ गाइज. विल सी व्हाट विशाल डील्स विद दिस डिलीवरी. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ जस्टिस विल विशाल गिव दिस फ्री हिट डिलीवरी. Vishal Shinde hits it over the long off for a 6 run, and here it's 50 run for Vishal Shinde in the quarter final. He raises his bat. Vishal Shinde. A glorious 50 by Vishal Shinde in the quarter final. The knockout match 50. It's like 100. A golden inning. Vishal Shinde cuts it. This could goes for a third man, but very good fielded. It looks like Vishal wants to play all the 6 ball. And yeah, it's justified also because he's the informed batsman and already scored 54 runs so far within 12-13 deliveries. So that makes sense altogether. Jai Bhai, who's known for running the batsman out, has to be cautious. He can't run out the Vishal. Shubham to Vishal. Vishal tried to pull it for a 4 run. Another boundary by Vishal Shinde. What a strike. जसं मी तुम्हाला म्हटलं होतं, विशालच्या बॅटला बॉल लागला की एक तर तो 4 रन होतोय किंवा 6 रन होतोय. ग्राउंड शॉटवरून 4 रन आणि ओव्हर द बाउंड्रीज 6 रन. नथिंग एल्स. ही इज जस्ट डिलिंग इन द बाउंड्रीज ॲट द मोमेंट. बॉय, super form of Vishal Shinde. Vishal Shinde once again. Oh, what a shot again over the cover. This could be another boundary. No, fielder collects it and batsman steals the 2 run. Very good running by the batsman. Vishal Shinde struggling at the moment. He's dealing with some injuries at the moment. His hammy is giving him some problem for some time now. He's down, crouching it, but he gets up. He's a fighter. Vishal Shinde is a fighter. Last ball of the inning. Vishal pulls it for a 6 run. Last ball of the inning goes over the boundary once again. What a hitting by Vishal Shinde. Excellent hitting by him in the quarter final. And the scoreline rate after 7 overs, it's a 121 for the loss of 2 wickets. 121 for the loss of 2 wickets. What a huge and mammal score Game Changers have put on the board. It's a quite Herculean task for the Gladiators to chase this down. They have a very good batsman, but still it's a very Herculean task. We'll see in a moment.